Welcome to this series of 3 introductory videos on seed collecting and processing for native seed. My name is Dave.
And I'm Mel, and we collect native seed for the North Coast Regional Seed Bank.
The seed is tested and supplied to Landcare and other nurseries to grow native plants for bush regeneration and habitat restoration projects along the New South Wales North Coast region.
In this first video, we will cover the preparation for seed collecting, including where and when we are going to collect seed, equipment needed, the code of conduct, and how to collect seed safely.
In video 2, we introduce the methods used to collect seed, and in video 3, we cover how to extract and clean the seed for storage and later use. Before heading off to collect seed, we need a plan. When is the seed I want to collect ready to be harvested? And where can I find the seed I want to collect? A guide to the flowering and fruiting periods of native plants can be found in a seed collecting guide on the website.
To help plan where to collect seed, a detailed map of land ownership, the public access routes, and vegetation types will be needed. It is a good idea to do some initial exploratory visits to possible collecting sites. This will inform both what plants might be available to collect from and the land tenure. Seed collecting needs to be done ethically and sustainably. How this is done is summarised in a code of practice in the guide, which can be downloaded from the Seed Bank website. The code of practice includes avoiding the travelling of or damage to plants. For example, by following the same route in and out of a seed collecting site. The code of practice also covers how to avoid the spread of disease by cleaning shoes and equipment, and how to minimise the impact on any one plant by collecting fewer seeds from as many plants as possible. Keeping detailed records also helps to ensure the seeds collected have good genetic variation to grow healthy plants.
Having the right equipment can make seed collecting easier and safer. A variety of buckets or containers to hold your equipment, seed collecting bags, data sheet and tags, binoculars for those faraway fruit, and of course a tool belt to hold your secateurs or small saws, long-handled loppers, an extension pole with a saw is also very, very handy. A small tarp which you can put down on the ground to collect falling fruit is also useful. We found some seed and we've collected it. Plastic bucket, put our seed in. We also have some brown paper bags to store our seed. Data collection is absolutely essential so that we can identify the seed when it gets back to the collection rooms. We use a seed collection field data sheet, triplicate copy. The most important thing on here is the unique seed collection number, which is the identifier that has to stay with your seed all the way through storage and processing. We also use tags, some identification tags, permanent marker, and that goes in with our seed so it can also be traced.
Having your own personal protective equipment such as a hat, sturdy gloves and eye protection is very important when collecting seed. Pay attention to weather forecasts and avoid collecting in windy weather when branches may fall.
An important, essential in fact, safety tool is your mobile phone. For communication, safety, finding coordinates when you do find seed, taking photos, and of course very handy for plant ID.
A checklist on how to stay safe can also be found on the website.
In the next video, we focus on seed collecting methods.
Stay safe and happy seed collecting.